The camera is the part you should care about most. Camera quality mostly comes down to sensor size. Bigger sensors equal higher quality footage, better low light shooting, and more dynamic range. It also equals bigger, more expensive drones. You can get professional quality images and videos even with something like this that doesn't break the bank. Next is the battery. Bigger batteries give you longer flight time, but they also make the drone heavier. The faster, more aggressive you fly, the quicker the battery drains. Try not to push the battery down to zero. Once you get around 20%, that's usually a safe point for you to land. The gimbal holds the camera stable, while the propellers keep the drone in the air. If a prop is bent or cracked, your drone won't fly right. So always check them before you take off. The arms are what holds the propellers and the motors. Most drones fold their arms for portability, so understand the correct way to fold yours. You also need a memory card. That's where all your footage is stored. Get one that's fast enough to handle the type of video that you're recording. If you're shooting 4K, that's probably V30. Some drones have a tiny bit of internal storage, but it's not going to be enough. Then we've got the sensors. These stop your drones from smashing into things. Cheaper drones might not have any of these, while higher end ones will have those that cover all the sides. They save you from a lot of costly mistakes, but they tend to miss thin wires and branches, so watch out for those. How to pick the right drone for you? If you're flying as a professional videographer, go with the best camera quality that you can get and get the memory card to match. If you're flying just for fun, sacrifice camera quality for more batteries. If you're in between, maybe something like a solo content creator, grab a pro version of the mini models. They're budget friendly without sacrificing the footage. Now you know how to get the best drone based on your budget. To learn how to fly the drone, watch this video next.